Hey guys, it's Mina. Welcome back, and happy holidays to all of you. We're in that limbo school break time between the holidays and New Year's, so I hope you all are enjoying time with your loved ones and your friends and having a very peaceful, happy holiday season. So we are going to paint today. I was watching a couple of my old videos, some of those two-step stretch ones, which were really cool, and I love how I poured the paint like backwards instead of going this way how I normally would. I went this way, and you actually saw the underside of what was coming up through the cup. And I was watching my ribbon candy pour, which I'll link both of those two for you here, with the black backgrounds and the metallics. And there was one point where it was so cool. There was like this black in the cup, and then there was this ribbon of the blue and white and violet coming out, and it was beautiful. So that's what I want to kind of play with today. We are going to lay down a black base coat. This is a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped level 3 canvas from Artist Loft. Get them at Michael's when they are on sale. Hint hint, wink wink, nudge nudge. I don't get anything from you doing that. It's just that's the best. These are awesome. Nice and thick, sturdy. You can get the push pins on Amazon. Search under giant push pins. That's where I get them. There's like 12 packs. It's like $6. It's awesome. Anyway, okay, colors. I have Artist's Loft Flow Acrylic in black, mixed with some Deco Art Americana Decor satin enamels in black. They're classic black. I have 2 cups of the black, so one is going to be my base coat and one's going to be in the pour. This is Golden's Iridescent Bronze that I was using yesterday in another pour that came out so cool. I can't wait to show you guys that one. So I have a lot left up, but I don't want to use too much of that, but it's going to be a great background color. This is the opposite of that. This is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white with Deco Art Americana Decor satin enamels in white. And to this I have added a little bit of iridescent medium to give it some sparkle, some glitter. Because it's the holidays, you know. But that's very pretty. It turns out really cool. So this is going to be awesome. Okay, my favorite 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we're going to use more of this than this. This is going to be a background. So now the 2 stars of our show today. This is Golden's Permanent Deep Violet. Lovely, lovely. And Golden's Prussian Blue. They're looking a little thick. My 14-year-old keeps saying thick. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday, honey. So we're very, very excited. We're gonna have some cake later on. Fun stuff. We've been playing board games. What's your favorite board game to play with your kids? Okay, let's get started. So, layering the cup. My Catamount Flameware 16-ounce glass borosilicate cup. You can search under beaker with a handle. You'll find lots and lots of them. Okay. Okay, one of these was thicker and one was thinner. That's the thinner one. That's the thicker one. So the thinner one's going to be my background base coat. So, do we want to start with black, or do we want to, what do we want in this? Well, we're not going to do a ring, so it's not going to be a center, so we're going to be going backwards. Okay, we're going to put some black in first. Now, I've been watching my own videos, and I've actually been like yelling at the screen. What are you doing? Stop! Don't do that! So, and one of the things that's been driving me crazy is I've been using very, very thick layers of paint sometimes. Like watching it from your point of view. From where I'm standing, it doesn't seem like I'm pouring that much, but from where your point of view is, it's like, woo! So I'm going to try to control that a little bit. All right. So I'm going to put a little bit of, actually I'm going to put a little bit of bronze in. Smaller layers of the metallics. And now we're going to go into the Prussian. You do want a thicker layer of that. And I'm going to put some of our white. And the white is actually very important because a lot of these are all darker colors, and that white is what's going to give us that pop in between. So I'm going to put a little black in first before the violet. Okay, I'm going to go just put some white again. Okay. back to the bronze. Prussian blue. Some white. Gold. Put some black on top, because that's going to be the first thing coming out of our cup. Okay. Did we drip? We did. Okay. All right. So we're going to take our other cup of black, which is a little thinner, and we're going to lay it down as a base coat. I may not do a base coat. I think I'm going to just pour a puddle and pour. Well, no, I can't do that. I do have to do a base coat. All right, we're going to do a base coat. All right. I'm going to thin it out just a tiny bit more with some water. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. And you're doing this because you want to make sure that your paint has something to slide on. So the paint that I'm pouring out of there, if I pour it on this dry canvas, it's going to stick to it and grab it and roll over itself. And we're not going to have that beautiful sliding. Ooh, it is cold. But it's not raining today, which I'm very happy about. Okay, base coat. This again is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in black, mixed with Deco Art Americana Decor Satin Enamels in black. Which I really like that paint. It's a beautiful, beautiful paint. Ooh, and the wind has just started blowing. Hi, Gail. Did you guys see Frozen? Frozen 2? Cute. They named the wind Gale. I was like, oh, that's perfect. I'm not gonna worry about the edges too much, the sides, because I don't ever think I've had a painting that didn't go over the sides. Alright, so for this cup, I think what I'd like to do, I do want to do that two-step stretch where I pour it kind of from the wrong direction, so that we see what's coming up from the bottom. So, okay, I don't think I'm gonna go in a straight line. I'm kind of gonna move around a little bit. Okay, here we go. Enough of that. All right, that's pretty cool. So let's see. I'm gonna take the weight of the paint back there first. We're gonna go over that edge in a second. I just want to stretch this out a little bit first. See, I have learned. There was one video I did where I didn't go over that corner in a situation like that, and I regretted it immensely. I actually ended up messing up the painting and kind of ruining it, in my opinion. Okay, see how that's sliding nice and easy? That's good. I'm gonna go down this way. It's not quite eating itself, so it's still stretching. It's just barely starting to roll over itself a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back this way to open that side up. I'm going to put a little bit more black around here so it has something to move on. bug just flew up my nose. Okay, that's good. Come back. Bring the weight of the paint back down. Oh, that's cool. Yay, it worked. That's really cool. I'm going to bring the weight of the paint back to the middle just a little bit. Okay, that's kind of awesome. I'm going to leave that just like that. Ta-da! That's cool. That's awesome. Okay, so let's look at this for a second and see what's what. I'm liking everything so far, so that's good. Okay, grab my napkin real fast. This is awesome. So the black base coat is great, and I love how this blue and purple and white is popping against that. I love that bronze in there. See our gold a little bit down in here, but this is beautiful. I love these fronds, feathers, wings. Actually, it's kind of bird-like. I almost see a bird face over there. It's pretty. I love these little cells that are popping up. Okay, so this is awesome. This is very cool. I will show you guys when this one is dry. See you in a bit. Okay, so this is a couple of days later. It's not completely dry, but I couldn't wait to show you guys. I love how this one turned out. This is space feathers. This is so funny. See this beautiful bird and her wing? So gorgeous. I love this part. Just amazing. It's still a little wet, so, but it's dry enough to stand up. Look how pretty this is. Just gorgeous in there. I love this like layered. It's really cool. I like how you see all of that, the violet and the blue really popping against the black. And a few little tiny pearls in different colors in here. Beautiful over here with that gold and the bronze. So pretty. There's our little birdie. So, I like it. I love this one. This is really cool. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful new year. And I hope 2020 brings you good health, lots of happiness, peace, prosperity, lots of paint. Hopefully, things that you've been wanting to do, you will do. And I send you much, much love from our house to yours. Thank you so much for being part of our journey. You guys mean so much to us. It's awesome. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can check out Mina Villegas Art on Facebook. You can also check out my Etsy shop. And if you would like to be a patron of the arts, you can check out the PayPal me link in the description box. I greatly appreciate all of your donations. You guys are wonderful. Thank you so much. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you have a nice relaxing day or two before school starts and work starts. And anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.